Jacqueline, thank you. As we have continuing coverage now of the Ray Tensing retrial, it is set to start today. Opening statements are scheduled for 9:30 this morning. It's a new prosecution team, but what we saw from the first time around is when prosecutor Joe Dieters laid out the case against Ray Tensing, stating that he believed that he pulled that gun with the intention to shoot and kill Sam DuBose in July of 2015. Covering that first trial was Allie Kramer. She has been in through the proceedings, through the jury selection, is here again today. You were there on the field trip yesterday. In the first trial, Stu Matthews said that he felt like that his client felt that his life was in jeopardy and that the car was going to be used as a weapon in that case.
Yeah, and the car, that's the biggest part of it. The body camera video that shows that exact interaction, and right off the bat, that's what jurors are going to see today. Now, the first witness is Lieutenant Tim Barge. He is the officer that actually recovered the body camera video from Ray Tensing. He was not on the scene. Tensing will watch that body cam video, as the jurors do, from a monitor that sits directly in front of him. Now, also testifying today, fellow UC officer Philip Kidd. He was on the scene in Mount Auburn. He previously testified that he saw the vehicle move and saw Tensing moving with the vehicle. He told jurors that he heard a gunshot, the car pulled away from the curb, and Tensing fell away from the car. Now, up next is UC police officer David Lindenschmidt. He again was also on the scene and told a very similar story to Officer Kidd. He testified that there's, quote, no doubt in his mind that he heard tires squealing followed by a gunshot. The order of those events will certainly become key. And Chris, we're told that a civilian witness may also testify. Alicia Napier testified in the first trial. She was parked in a car on the street and she was watching the interaction from her mirror in the car. She says initially she actually thought that Sam DuBose shot Ray Tensing because she saw Tensing fall back. During cross-examination, some of that testimony sort of fell apart, got a little murky, so it's going to be obviously up to the jurors to decide whether or not she's a credible witness.
From the standpoint of witnesses, though, this is exactly how the first trial started, correct?
Yeah, exactly the same witnesses, and it sounds like we're going to move quickly through these first several witnesses.
We'll have those opening statements for you live right here on 9 on Your Side. We'll also stream them on our website and our Facebook page, social media as well, as we're committed to bring you gavel-to-gavel coverage of the retrial of Ray Tensing, the former University of Cincinnati police officer that's charged with murder in the shooting death of Sam DuBose. That was in July of 2015. That's the latest from here at the courthouse. Catherine, we toss it back to you.